So I'm at a job jetting on a nice Thursday evening. Starting to get a bit cold, but so hooked up the water supply to the jetting machine. Let the tank start filling up. I've popped the manholes open. This house has no one living in it. It's actually part of a school. The school is blocked up, and the waste pipe for the school runs through this property, so it goes from the school, which is down there, and everything behind there, to a manhole there, manhole there, manhole there, and a manhole over here. So this is the first one closest to the street. As you can see, it's okay, it's clear. And we just walk forward slightly. We got this one here, which is the next one, which has a bunch of waste built up in the bottom. We have the next one on, which has quite a lot of shit at the bottom. And we have the next one, which is a fresh one. Look at that. Don't know what they've been eating, but I think this one's a stew. Yep, definitely smells like a fresh stew. So maybe a beef stew or something, not sure. But yeah, so we'll just give the van a few minutes to fill up. Hooked up the water supply, seems to have decent pressure. Let it start filling up. I'll get the hoses ready so long, fire it all up, and then we can start jetting. So the tank should be full enough now. I'm going to put the water jet on. I'm going to jet at the second to last manhole, so second to last to the street, and then we'll see what we can do. It seems like the jet did not make its way into the outlet. However, the manhole has started filling up. I'm guessing the rest is all draining and going down. Yep. Flow, baby, flow. Come on. Smelling fresh. This is the next one. I'm going to jet and flush all these clear. They are running nicely. Go, baby, go. You can see it's been blocked for a while. It's full. Seems like the jet was just blocked at the mouth of the manhole. So this is the manhole. Got the street to my back. This is all just flowing. Eventually, once it's all flowed, it's going to drop. There you go. That's good. Oh, nice big piece of something there. That's what happens when you have too much bread in your diet. You start blocking your lines up. So machine's still running, hose is currently off. I'll put it back on shortly. And then, okay, look at that. completely blocked in there. I actually want to try pull some of that out. I'll try pull it out and get some video footage of it. But as you can see, that over there is also, that runs up in that direction. So we'll jet all that. So I've just used a set of drain rods. To break down the waste. As you can see there, it's starting to flow. Nice and clean. That's what I like. You can see it's backed up here slightly from all the waste that's been broken down, but we'll just put the jet down here and flush it all through. Let's just check the last manhole. There are Buckham's traps on these properties where it enters into the street, so a lot of the time waste can get caught there. As we can see, this one's clear, so what I'm going to do is put the jet up here and get it flowing nicely. I'll just going to move the hose. I'll see you when I put the jet up here. Not the best to get the best footage at night, but job still has to be done. Water jet's going crazy. As long as my line's clear, I don't care. Go baby, go. Wash it. it's a little bit difficult to film at night, but finally done. Managed to get this place sorted. It is like pitch black behind me, it's dark. Managed to get all this done. It's obviously, as I say, it's a school. Those manholes are all blocked up. Seems that maybe a bit of paper towel, which the kids use in the bathrooms to wipe their hands, has possibly caused the blockage. The line seems alright, but yeah, it's all good, and maybe one day I'll give you guys a rundown on the machine. Next video, maybe I'll do a rundown on the machine. I do like it. It has a lot of power, and I can tell you more about it.